Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt from RC World. Coming at you guys today about unboxing and reviewing and testing the International Gen 8 Scout 2 from Redcat. This is a 110 scale crawler ready to run, a brushed motor. When I purchased it, it did not come with a battery, or it did come with a battery and you had to pay extra for the battery, but I got a free battery when I went to, believe it was Hobby Pro. I'm not certain on that. But I already, as you guys may see as I'm starting to unbox this, I already opened it, tested it, drove it, had a lot of fun with it. So I did drive it. I'm gonna take it off now. Nice boxing. Okay. Guys get the extra spare tire. Love the bubble wrapping. Here's your instructions. Got your extra gears in here, a few bumper pieces, and some extra wheel, seems like wheel tighteners or fasteners. Okay, here's the car. Now the car is actually velcroed on here, so I'm going to take this off first. There is nothing that holds it on. The only thing that holds it on is Velcro. There's the body. Here's the battery I got from Hobby Power Hobby, or sorry, Power Hobby. 15200 mAh battery, 35C and 7.4 volt. Works on the Hexfly charger. The really nice Hexfly charger. I'll show you guys that here in a second. Put this back in the box. Also, it does work with, well, of course it would work with the 3500 from Hexfly. 7.4 volt, works great in it. A little bit slower, I believe. I bet if I put the 5200 in there, it would go a little bit faster. Here's the car itself. Now, my wheels are the only thing that's dirty. I'll show you guys this here in 1 second. Here's the inside. This is the put your motor on, or motor, I'm sorry guys. Put your battery on, Velcro straps. Here's your ESC right here, the newest brushed Redcat ESC. And then your 2.4 gigahertz control is in here in a waterproof type seal. This car is fully waterproof, I believe, is what it says on the box, and is what it says from other reviews online. This is fully waterproof. A new servo. Servo is right. Servo's right here. Servo is also right here. Really nice. The front metal on here on the portal axle is metal, and a really nice portal axles on here. The suspension is just really amazing on here. They did a really good job on that. And one thing I like is, let me get down on the ground here. Hold on. Let me get down on the ground and show you guys this. If I can try to show you guys, the way the wheel works is that they want to give you a lot of ground clearance. So the actual turning rod where the portal axle connects right here, the portal axle stops right here, and then there's another gear inside here that goes up to the wheel, so it gives you more clearance right here. Lots and lots of clearance. And then, you know, also metal, all metal servo pieces right here. All that's metal. Really made very nicely. Also the gearing for the ground clearance is on here as well. Really nice bog tires. Inside of here is metal. The back is the front, the chrome is not metal. I think that's a plastic. The metal on the inside and the other side is it's metal. Really nice brushed 550 motor in there. And we got Redcat's got these new connectors too. Not the biggest fan of these new connectors. I like the bullet connectors, so I'll show you that here shortly. But never really had a lot of problems with these in the past. The solder coming undone and falling off. Other than that, it's not such a bad connector. That's basically it for the car. Let me show you the controller here. So this is the standard standard Redcat controller. More like just a little bit new improved version. But same where the trigger is, same kind of steering knob. All your stuff is in here. On and off switches in there. For steering, bind button, all that. Still closes down. The new Redcat controllers take only 4 batteries. Really nice. That's basically it for this. I'll show you guys the montage here very soon and what it could do, and I'll show you guys lots more videos on the Redcat Gen 8. So, here's the montage.